Good morning students. Welcome to PC YouTube channel. I am Chaitra here. Today I am going to explain the 6th standard science topic. We have gone through the third chapter of science subject is fiber to fabric. In the previous two sessions I have completed the chapter and I have taught you what is fiber to and how we make a fabric, and we have done the 4 to 5 exercises how we have can see how the fabric looks and how the fabric has came into our made of a cloth and all. Today we'll go through a exercise of this. They have given a 6 questions in an exercise. Okay, we'll go through one by one. I have solved some of the answers. I will explain it now. Moving towards the first question. First question is, classify the following fibers as natural or synthetic: nylon, wool, cotton, silk, polyester, jute. We have to classify the two categories. One is natural, which are natural fibers, and which are synthetic fibers. Okay, they have given the examples. From these examples we have to classify it. Moving towards the answer, first note it down as natural fibers. Natural fibers. Which all the natural fibers mean? Natural fibers means which are come from the plants. I have explained it already. Who are new to this channel, you can go through my previous videos. You will come to know what all we learnt in the previous sessions. Okay. Now coming to this point, natural fibers. Natural fibers are the fabrics which come from the plants. We have taken from the plant products. Okay, they are cotton, jute, silk and wool. They have given the options here. We have to select which options are natural products. Okay, means natural fibers. Next, which are the synthetic fibers means nylon and polyester. We call it both as synthetic fibers. Okay. Moving towards the second question. State the following statement are true or false. They have given some of the statements. We have to say whether the statement given is true or a false. We have to note it down. Okay. First question. Yarn is made from fibers. Yes, we have seen yarn is actually made from the fibers. So we have to write this is true. Okay. Next, second question. Spinning is a process of making fibers. Whether the spinning is a process of making fibers? No. Okay. We have learned that spinning is a process of yarn. We use the process of making yarn from the fibers. Means they have given here, right, in the first question, yarn is made from the fibers, right? So to make a yarn into a fibers, we need this process as spinning process. But here they have given spinning is a process of making fibers. No, from fibers we remove the yarn. That process is called as spinning. So this statement is wrong. So we have to write false. Next, third question. Jute is the outer covering of a coconut. No, this is absolutely wrong. You all seen the how the coconut outer cover will be. Okay, this is a plant which we get a jute products. So jute is not the outer covering of the coconut. So the answer is false. The fourth question. The process of removing seeds from the cotton is called ginning. Yes, we have seen ginning. There will be a cotton plants where from the cotton we get. We get a cotton from the cotton plants. First it will be a seeds. After blooming it we get a cotton. Okay. So the given statement is true. So we have to write true. What they have given? The process of removing seeds. The process of removing the seeds. If you want the cotton, we remove the seeds. The process is called as cotton. We get the cotton from the seeds. So the process is called as ginning. So this is the true statement. Weaving of am makes a piece of a fabric. Yes, weaving of am. We have seen the two processes, weaving and knitting. So knitting and weaving is a two processes where the am makes of a piece of a fabric. So the statement is true. Next, sixth question. Silk fibers is obtained from the stem of the plants. No, silk we won't get from the stem of the plants. Okay, so it is a natural fibers, but we won't get it from the stem. So this is a false statement. Next, polyester is a natural fiber. No, we have seen in the first question. We have divided some of the questions like synthetic fibers. It is a polyester. Here nylon and polyester. These are the nylon and polyester are the synthetic fiber. So here what they are saying, polyester is a natural fiber. So no, it is a synthetic fiber. So the statement given is false. Okay, I hope you understand this both the questions. Let's move to the third question. So we have to do the third question as fill in the blanks. Okay, they have given some of the space to fill the answers. We have to fill it. Moving towards the first question. Plant fibers are obtained from. How do we got plant fibers? From where we are getting the plant fibers? Plant fibers are, which are the plant fibers? There are, I have written here jute and cotton. In this blank space you have to fill. The plant fibers are obtained from the jute. I will write the first letter of this sentence. Okay, jute as well as cotton. Jute and cotton are the plant fibers which we obtain. Okay, next, animal fibers are dash and dash. Which are the animal fibers? Okay, silk as well as wool. We have seen in the second question. Here they have asked us silk fibers is obtained from the stem of the plants. No, they have given here animals fibers are silk and wool. So this statement we have written the false. So this is not the plant. This is not come from the silk is not come from the plants. We get the silk from the animal fibers. So silk is the first answer and wool is the second answer. Okay. Next, fourth question. From which parts of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? Okay, here they are asking, we get a cotton and jute from the plant. We know that. But they are asking from which part of the plant we will get the jute and cotton. We have learnt already. We'll just answer the question. Jute is obtained from the stem. How do we get the jute? From the stem. The jute is placed in the plant of the stem. Okay, part of the stem. Cotton, from where did we get cotton? Cotton from the cotton balls. We have learnt it already. So, I hope you are understanding the questions and answer. Let's go. Cotton is obtained from the cotton balls, which are directly from the surface of the cotton seeds. We are getting the cotton balls and the cotton from the directly from the cotton seeds. Okay, these are the two plants we are getting from the natural, and the jute is from the plant part of the stem, and the cotton we are getting from the cotton balls. Okay, I hope understand the third and the fourth question also. Let's move. And the fifth question. Here, name any two things got from the coconut fibers. We have to mention the two things which we have get from the cotton fiber. Cotton fiber, which are the two things we are getting? That is rope and mats. You all seen the rope which we are using to tie something which is harder to pack the products. Okay, we use the rope and mats. When we are out from the any dust or we just rub our feet. So there will be a mat. So that mat is made up of coconut fibers. Okay. These are the two things got from the coconut fibers. There are many things, but for our knowledge, the ropes and mats are okay. Okay. Next, moving towards the sixth question. Explain the process of making yarn from the fibers. This should be a depth answer. Okay, we have to give the some of the depth answer. Okay, they are asking the process, how we are making the yarn from the fiber. Okay, just we'll go for answer because we have learnt it already. It will be so easy to explain us about this question. Okay, let's go. The thin strands, we are taking a thin strands are called air. We know that what is air. So we have to explain the first sentence by the what is air. The thin strands are called as air, which are made from the fiber. The iron is made from the fiber. Okay. The spinning is the process of making air. We have seen in the second question and the first question what are the natural products and synthetic products, and what is the spinning process also. Okay, spinning is the process of making yarn. So next, the process where the cotton fibers, are drawn out and being twisted. We have seen we had to hold the cotton by the two hands, and from the end, cotton end should be at the left of the thumb finger, and the right hand should be at the cotton at the forefinger. We had to hold it the corners of the cotton, then we had to pull it. By pulling, what happens? The twist will occur. So the cotton fibers will occur. We have to draw out the cotton fibers being twisted. The process brings all the fabrics and the fibers together to form the yarn. How we will get the making a yarn from the fibers means, when we do this process, the process of bringing all the fibers, we bring the all fibers together. So by that, all the fibers together to form the yarn. Okay, I hope you understand all these 6 questions of the exercise, and I hope you understand the whole chapter of this science topic. So if you are new to my channel, please go through my previous sessions videos. You will come to know what we have learnt and what we have done the exercise here. You will come to know very clearly. So completing this chapter, will go to the 4th chapter of science topic in the next session. Thank you guys. Have a good